Hey, hello boys and girls. So this video I'm making for my lovely CMA students. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं boys and girls that we have been doing tremendous revisions for CMA inter and final level students as well as for CMA foundation students. So I would like to reiterate the fact that we are there. MEPL team is there for you till very last, and we have some amazing session, upcoming revision session, marathon sessions and MTP sessions planned for CMA students, boys and girls. So CMA Foundation students, first let us start with you. Watch the video till very last, and I expect you guys to like the video, boys and girls, CMA Foundation Inter and Final students, and share this video with as many students as you can. CMA Foundation students, stay glued to Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel for daily 2 p.m. revision that we are continuing. Okay, so lot more revision sessions are on your way. Daily 2 p.m. Do not miss it, boys and girls. Now CMA Mission Audit Integrated Case Study Based MCQs, just like we solved mission law MCQs. Now it's the time for mission audit integrated case study based MCQs. 11 November to 15 November, daily 10 p.m. You will have to be glued to Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel. That is my YouTube channel for 5 days, daily 10 p.m. Do not miss it, because now you know that your paper pattern is such that the case study based MCQs are also there, normal MCQs are also there. So you should not miss it at any cost. 11 November to 15 November, daily 10 p.m. And the wait is over. Mission OMSM is here. 8th November to 20th November, daily 9 p.m. At first, Mission OM will be there, and then the SM portion will be there. Okay. So 8th November to 20th November, daily 9 p.m. boys and girls. So as you can see, Mission Audit, sir, this will be on Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel. Mission OMSM, sir, this will be on MEPL and Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel both. Mission OM will be on MEPL channel, and boys and girls, Mission SM will be on Mohit Agarwal YouTube channel. So make sure that you are subscribing both the channels so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos. Yes, sir, we are already subscribed and we have already pressed the bell icon. Okay. So 8th November to 20th November, daily 9 p.m. Do not miss out the timings. Integrated case study based MCQs of audit, daily 10 p.m. Mission OMSM. Integrated case study based MCQ starts 11 November, okay, and Mission OMSM starts 8 November, daily 9 p.m. Audit marathon for CM Inter students, 13th November, Saturday 11 a.m. Yes, the wait is really over. So if you watch this audit class, your entire syllabus of audit is going to be revised, okay. And other law marathon, what I am doing is I am taking up 2 most important chapters that will be covering approximately your 20 to 25 marks, okay. Indian Contract Act and Negotiable Instrument Act. Okay. And it is on 14th of November, Sunday 11 a.m. Sir, please sir, ethics bhi kara do sir. Sir, industrial law, labor law bhi kara do. Are already marathon uploaded hai bhai. Mohit Agarwal channel par already other laws ke marathon uploaded hai. ये मैं फिर से रिवीजन करा रहा हूँ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड एनआई एक्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर में. एंड बाद बाकी जो चैप्टर्स आप बोल रहे हैं ना, लेबर लॉ, एथिक्स, वो ऑलरेडी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर में मेरे मोहित अग्रवाल यूट्यूब चैनल पर अपलोडेड है. ओके सर. CMA final, yes, the wait is over for them. 15th November. So you can see I'm taking 3 back-to-back marathon. 13th November, 14th November and 15th November. 13th and 14th it is for inter-level students. Saturday 11 a.m., Sunday 11 a.m. and 15th November, CMA final, law marathon. Monday 11 a.m. Do not miss it. It is going to be fire. Sir, MTPs, sir, you told MTPs bhi karwaenge. Yes, MTPs bhi karwaenge. 16th November to 23rd November. All 8 papers by wonderful team of faculties of MEPL, including me myself. So CMA इंटर एंड CMA फाइनल दोनों 16 नवंबर टू 23 नवंबर एमटीपीज चलेगा, ठीक है, ताकि आपका सारा प्रैक्टिस हो जाए. लेटेस्ट एमटीपीज हम लोग सॉल्व कराएंगे. इंटर वालों का 2 p.m, फाइनल वालों का 5 p.m. इंटर स्टूडेंट्स 2 p.m, फाइनल स्टूडेंट्स 5 p.m. Both these sessions, inter and final, will be held on MEPL YouTube channel. So now you understand how important both the channels are, okay. So make sure that you are remaining subscribed to both the channels. So this was a wonderful announcement for all the students, and it is really going to be a booster dose for you guys, a game-changing series for you guys. Do not miss it at any cost, and do share the video with as many students as you can. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay. Chalo. Bye.